back to my channel. Today I have Mr. Gavin with me. We are going to test out the nature box that they so kindly sent me. This is a free trial. I believe if you go to their website, you can request your first month free. I'm not sure if you need a promo code or not. I can't remember. But if you do, I'm sure you can get on Google and see if you can find a promo code. So, the front of the box says, discover, delight, nourish, enjoy. It's got a little sun at the top. The box is really, really cute. And it is, this box is made from recycled materials. We love saving it to collect cards or magazines. How will you use your nature box? That's pretty cool. All right, so let's open it up. Okay. So the first thing I see is a gift card to HelloFresh. It's a $30 gift card for your first box and free shipping. Nice. I might have to try that out. I can't show it to you guys because it has a code on it and I don't want you to steal it. I want to use it. So I'm going to put that to the side. Next I have an order detail list. It's showing me what all's in the box. So that's pretty cool. When I filled out the information to get this box, I must have misspelled my last name, which is Brown. And on here, it's B-R-O-Q-N. That was probably my mistake. All right, are you ready to try some snacks?
Yep.
All right, let's get started. I can already tell that there's a few you might not like.
Okay.
So this is gonna be fun. Okay, the first one I picked up is sour cream and onion straws. I'm gonna like these because I really like sour cream and onion. Do you? I can't remember.
I like sour cream, but I don't like onion. I mean, I only like onion and I forget, chili.
Yeah, onions and chili is delicious. All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
No.
They smell like veggie straws.
They don't smell very sour cream and oniony.
They smell like veggie straws.
They look just like veggie straws that you would buy at the store. There's that one for you.
They're just a different type of veggie straws. I actually like them.
They're okay. Not a lot of flavor.
Yeah. I like veggie straws. They really are. They're just a different type.
There's really not a lot of flavor. I would never be able to guess that these are sour cream and onion flavored. They just taste like they have salt on them. Not bad. They're okay. We'll definitely eat them. Okay. Do you want to do something sweet or something savory next?
Sweet.
Sweet? Okay. These are whole wheat chocolate animal cookies.
They sound good, but they look like beef jerky. They do.
Did you hear what he said? He said they sound great, but they look like beef jerky.
Yeah.
You can kind of see them through the little sun right here. I guess they kind of do look like beef jerky.
Yeah, they do.
Not gonna lie. We really should have brought some water in here.
Yeah, I know.
It's too late now. Yeah, we'll just keep going. Okay. Smell.
They're so good. They smell so good.
One for you.
I got a chicken.
A chicken. Mine doesn't look like anything.
Let me see.
What's mine supposed to be?
I don't know. Grab another one.
I think I got a cow. I think mine's a cow.
A cow or a dog?
A cow or a dog or possibly a pig. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yummy.
Mhm.
These are whole wheat. Pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
They're okay. Dawson will love these. Gavin's little brother.
Mhm.
Okay, moving on. Okay, something sweet or something savory?
Savory.
All right. The next thing we have here is salt and vinegar veggie chips. I personally love salt and vinegar chips. What do you like them? You do. My husband absolutely loves them. So I know he will enjoy these, but we're gonna get the first try, right? Okay, did you get all the chocolate out of your mouth? You ready for this? Ooh, they look different. Look. They're all different colors. Okay.
Can I see?
Smell like vinegar, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I don't really like vinegar.
One for you.
Oh, these are sour. I don't like the sour ones.
Mmm.
They're hard though.
That's because they're thick. They are really good.
Yeah. They're not sour like the other ones.
Mmm, these are good. These are like my new favorite thing.
But I still think my favorite one is this one.
We still have one more to try.
First one.
I can't stop eating these. They're so good. Okay, I have to stop. We gotta save some for Dad, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And Mouse.
One thing left. I'm gonna put this box down. Okay. Mini whole wheat chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate chip cookies. Ooh, they're cute. Okay, let's open them up. They smell like coffee.
Really? They do.
They don't smell like chocolate chip cookies. They smell like coffee.
No, like a type of coffee.
Ooh, you get a twofer. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Tastes different.
They do taste different. They almost taste like oatmeal cookies. Which is okay. Oatmeal cookies are alright. They're decent. I have always been more of a fan for soft, chewy cookies rather than crunchy cookies. But these aren't bad. They're somewhere in the middle. I'll read the little description here on the back. It's not the fact that they have 4 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber. It's the fact that when we eat these or serve them to our families, we feel good. Great, in fact. These cookies taste like the real deal. And it is sure to put the Cookie Monster back under the stairs for a little while. That's cute!
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Okay, so
What did you think about Nature Box?
they're pretty good, and my favorite 2 are these 2.
Oh, done. They weren't alike.
Okay, there you go.
Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, technical difficulties here.
Yep.
Oh my.
Okay, these are my favorite 2.
So your favorites are the sour cream and onion straws and the chocolate chip cookies. I would have to say my favorites are the salt and vinegar veggie chip and the chocolate chip cookies.
The chocolate chip cookies are actually pretty good.
They are. They're pretty dang good. So, all in all, Nature Box is a win. You think? 2 thumbs up? Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with us and watching us eat our yummy snacks. If you want to give Nature Box a try, make sure you go to their website, find your promo code, and get your first box free. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.